5 AI side hustles you can launch this weekend without a single line of code. By Sunday night, you could already be earning. Want to watch your bank account wake up? Stay with me. Look, you're smart, hungry, but you're stuck trading hours for dollars. Most AI advice is fluff or requires coding. You want real action, real income now. Fear of missing out? You should. While others automate your income, you're still grinding. Meet Sarah, a freelance designer burned out on low-pay gigs. She wanted passive, scalable income, but she didn't know where to start. In just a moment, I'll show Sarah's first AI side hustle and how it paid her first $500 in 48 hours. Build a converting chat funnel in under a day. Step by step, pick a high-intent vertical, e-commerce, coaching. Use a no-code chatbot builder plus GPT-4x. Connect with Facebook and WhatsApp. Funnel to affiliate offers. Sarah did this with zero coding in one afternoon and made $500 in 2 days from just one funnel. Create eye-catching YouTube shorts using AI, step by step. Use AI script assistant, e.g. ChatGPT. Generate voiceover via text-to-speech. Use an AI video editor for B-roll and captions. Upload and monetize via affiliate or YouTube partner program. Tom, a 23-year-old from Toronto, started this and hit 10K subs in 3 months. No camera, just automation. What if you could generate leads on autopilot, then flip them for $50 or $100 per pop? Step by step. Identify a niche, e.g. fitness coaches. Use GPT-4 to generate an ebook or checklist. Design with AI graphic tools like Canva AI. Set up a simple landing page plus email funnel via automation. Investor Mike from Berlin automated this and landed 20 email leads in a week, then sold consulting upsell packages. Launch niche podcasts that sound pro without ever speaking into a mic. Step by step, brainstorm a micro niche, e.g. AI for real estate agents. Script with GPT-4, voice with AI TTS. Automate publishing and social media clips. Monetize with sponsorships and affiliate deals. Anna in Sydney built a micro podcast and sold her first $250 sponsorship after just 4 episodes. Design viral merch with AI and let the profits print themselves. Step by step. Generate trending designs using AI art tools and prompt hundreds. Upload to POD platforms. Run AI-targeted ads or SEO. Sunita in India tested 30 designs in a weekend. 10 went live. 2 sold that same Monday morning. We covered it. Chat funnels, shorts, lead magnets, micro podcasts, and print on demand. 5 zero-code AI side hustles you can start this weekend. The gap between where you are and where you want to be, that's now.